Hey there, lovely folks. Welcome to the wonderful world of modern gardening. You know, the kind that does not require a green thumb or a ton of space. We are diving into the dirt of discover easy way to turn your home into a green oasis. So why modern green gardens, you ask? A vibrant mix of colors, the scent of fresh flowers, and maybe even a few homegrown veggies. Now, if you are think about gardening is complicated, fear not. We are here to show you that it can be as simple as and enjoyable as a walk in the park. All right, let's chat about some small spaces and big ideas. Whether you have got a postage stamp size backyard or just a balcony, we have got tips to get make your green dreams come true. No need for acres of land, just a bit of creativity and a dash of plant love. So buckle up for a journey into the world of modern gardening, where even that tiniest space can blossom into something truly amazing. Ready to turn your home into a green haven? Let's get started. In the modern gardening game, it is all about ease and joy. Forget the notion that gardening is for pros with secrets of land. Nope, it is for you, me, and everyone in between. We are talking smart solution like plants that practically hi-fi you for watering them occasionally. Modern gardens is like the cool, laid back friends who get you and makes life a bit more vibrant, one leaf at a time. So if you are wondering why modern garden is worth your time, well, it is the green therapy for your fast paced life. When your outdoor area is not as vast as a field, don't sweat up. We have got some nifty tricks to turn that tiny space into a green wonderland. Think vertical hanging planters or mounted shelves that can give your plants a stylish lift, compact but mighty. Next up, choose plants that cozy up together like old pals. Some plants are like the best roommates. They share space and get along just fine. Also try stocking containers. It is like building a plant tower and it looks super charming. And don't forget smart doesn't not mean boring. Add a splash of color with vibrant pot and cute garden ornaments. Viola, your small garden is now bursting with charm and personality, ready to be your favorite chill spot. Small space, big ideas. It is all about turning limitations into creative opportunities for a garden that is small but speaks volume. In this part, we are shining a spotlight on plants that are not just easy to handle but also add that extra flair to your garden. Think about plants like vibrant flowers, succulents, or even some funky look foliage. These are the real showstoppers. We will chat about how these plants bring life and colors, turning your garden into a real eye catcher. Now when we say pop, we means these plants does not just sit there. They are gap attention. We are going to discuss the joy of having blossoms in different shades, maybe some cool patterns and how you can arrange them to make your garden a visual treat. It is like creating a nature masterpieces right in your backyard and you don't need a degree in gardening to make it happen. Keep it simple, keep it colorful, and watch your garden become the talk of the town. Imagine turning your garden into a cozy haven without breaking the bank. First up, we have got the classic patterns. Grab up old palette, paint it with your favorite shades, fill the gaps with soil and viola. You have got a vertical garden masterpieces. It is easy on your wallet and bring a rustic charm to your green space. Next, let's talk about the magic world of mason jars. These versatile are not just for preserve anymore. Turn them into enchanting lanterns by placing tea lights inside. Hang them on tree branches or place them on table for a warm, twinkling embrace. Feeling artisty, grab some pebbles, a few jars, and create your mini ecosystem. It is simple yet a captivating way to add a touch of nature to your garden decor. These tide tricks not only spruce up your space but also makes your garden uniquely yours. So grab your tool and let creativity blooms. We are exploring how easy it is to use vertical space for plants. You don't need a big backyard for this. Grab some hanging pots, a well-mounted containers easy to find at your local store. Think of it as a plant party going vertical. If it is not just space saving, it add a touch of style to your garden. You can have a cascade of flowers or a mix of herbs hanging by your kitchen window. Ever wondered how you can give your garden some eco love? Well, sustainable gardening is like a green thumb up to Mother Nature. First off, ditch the chemical heavy stuff and go for natural fertilizers. Compost is like magic food for your plants, and it is super easy to make your home. Just toss in your kitchen scrap, let them dance with nature, and voila, you have got nutrient rich goodness for your garden buddies. Now let's chat about water. Don't let it run away. Water your plants wisely by collecting rainwater and use a watering can. It is like a mini rain party for your garden. Also, think about your plant's buddy's preference. Some like a sip every day, others are cool with a weekly gulp. It is like getting to know your plant pulse and being the parent ever. And guess what? Recycling is not just for paper and plastic, it is your garden too. Reuse old containers like buckets or cans to give your plants a cozy home. Sustainable gardening is like a green revolution, one seed at a time. In wrapping thing up, it's reflect on the garden journey we have taken together, from making the most of small spaces to diving into the world of trendy plants. Our modern gardening adventure has been a blast. We have uncovered the hacks, embraced touch in the soil, and learned how to create a little green haven for ultimate relaxation. Don't forget the sustainable touch, because every little eco